What's up? You both look tense.
My son and I have been working all day, but our crops are failing. The soil isn't what it used to.
Same here. My kids are helping me, but the pests are out of control. I'm losing hope.
Stuff for farming is exhausting, and I don't know where to start with all these challenges.
Sir, maybe you want to join our upcoming activity? Good morning, ma'am, sir. Maybe you want to join us.
I heard about agricultural extension services. Maybe they can help you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Francis Dave, and this is my team. We are the extension officers from the state of Alberta. And this is Jane, this is Christian, this is Paul, and Patrick. So we are here today to talk about agricultural extension and how it can help your farms and families.
Agricultural extension? What does that mean? Agricultural extension is a service where we share knowledge with farmers. We teach modern techniques and provide soil solution and pest problem. We can help to increase crop yields.
That sounds good, but can it really make a difference?
Absolutely. Let me show you an example. These are the farmers who double their harvest by using improved seed and irrigation technique.
That's amazing. But how do we get started?
First, we started with soil testing, crop protection management training, and crop selection that thrives to your land.
Abel and Sandro, have you noticed energy in the soil?
It feels harder and doesn't hold water well.
That's likely due to lower organic matter. We will teach you how to add compost and practice crop rotation.
Papa, what's that yellow card? That's a sticky trap for monitoring pests. It is a chemical-free way to keep them under control.
Yep, with drip irrigation, you can water your crops efficiently without wasting water.
Wow, this can save me so much effort.
These techniques could help our community.
And I learned so much in agricultural extension. Give us hope for the future.
This study, I can assure my son to inherit this thriving farm.
Even for someone like me who doesn't have kids, the support means I can still manage on my own and still succeed.
Yes, agricultural extension is important.
Yes, of course. Why it is important? It is important because it improves farmers, strengthen communities, and ensure food security. When farmers thrive, everyone gets benefited.
So, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Francis Dave, and this is my
That's amazing. But how do we get started? Seminary.
Ay, apa?